Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6199. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 8th 2020. It has a CHPA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CHPA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,